Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So I hope you saw the disclaimer, okay? Now, like I said, these are my thoughts and opinions and how I feel. But I feel like me and the fragrance community need to have a talk. We need to have a talk. I got a little something for the influencers. I got a little something for the viewers, okay? Everybody's going to get their share today. And I feel like y'all know where I'm going to start at, okay? Because I done said this in the past few videos, you know, a couple videos before this. And I'm tired, boss, okay? Please, for the influencers, please stop saying that every bottle is just so stunning. Like, girl, we are tired. We are done with y'all saying every bottle is stunning. And then it'd be a basic, hold on. They'll have this bottle, this Byredo bottle. Like, this is so stunning. Look at this bottle. It's just gorgeous. This bottle is not stunning. Like, stop it, girl. Nobody thinks this bottle is stunning. This bottle is minimalistic. It's chic. It's cute. It's all of the things, but it's not stunning. Like, it's not stunning. Nobody thinks this is stunning. Nobody. Not even you, sis. Like, please stop. Like, just stop. And like, why is every bottle and every fragrance stunning? Like, what's the next level? Give me the next level above stunning, because I need to know. Because you just like think everything is stunning, and I'm just like, well, what's better than stunning, sis? Like, you know what I'm saying? Now, I feel like I say beautiful a lot. I feel like I'll be like, this is a beautiful bottle. This is a beautiful fragrance. I feel like I say that a lot, and I'm trying to refrain from saying that as much. But if I say a bottle or a fragrance is stunning, then they like, oh, okay. She said that's stunning, so that got to be something to talk about, you know what I'm saying? But if you always say everything's stunning, then what's the next level, sis? Like, what do we really know that you really like? I don't know. I'm just saying, some of y'all just be like, everything is just so stunning, and I don't know what the next level is. Like, what's above stunning? I definitely have some bottles in my collection that are stunning, but this is not one of them. Next, give credit where credit is due. If an influencer puts you onto a fragrance and you're talking about it in the video for the first time, like, you can be like, so-and-so put me onto this fragrance. I do it all the time. I'm always hollering other people's names on my channel, and I feel like that helps them grow. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why y'all feel like y'all can't shout out other people. If I have a video idea that I got from somebody else, I'll be like, I got this video idea from somebody else. Like, the subscribers are not going to be like, you know what, let me unsubscribe to her and then go over to her. Like, you're not about to lose no subscribers, sis. It's okay to shout out other people. It's a community, right? We all supposed to help each other grow, right? That's kind of what the vibe is, the kind of goal is, or whatever. So, like, y'all be just out here just acting like y'all came up with everything, acting like y'all just found all these fragrances on your own. It's okay. It's okay. If somebody put you onto a fragrance, girl, it's okay. If somebody gave you a video idea, it's okay. Nobody's gonna, your subscriber count is not gonna go down, sis. I promise you, they're not gonna leave you. It's cool. Please stop with the non-existing dents. Like, please stop. We get it. You got a lot of fragrances. It's hard for you to put a dent in your fragrance. It's totally fine. You say you love it. We believe that you love it, you know, but you got a lot of fragrances. It's hard for you to put a dent in it. It's cool, but please stop trying to shove that non-existent dent down our throats and throwing it in the camera, because, girl, we don't see it. Y'all like, I love this fragrance so much. Look at my dent. Do y'all see my dent? Do y'all see my dent? Hold on. Do y'all see my dent? I love this. It's got to be a new rule. If the dent ain't an inch or more, sis, hold it back. Just relax. I need you to relax. And just keep on using it till you actually get a dent, because it ain't no dent there. And it's okay. Like, it's okay. But y'all gonna quit putting it all in the camera like, y'all see my dent. We like, I don't really. No, we don't see it. No, because it's not there. Influencers replying to comments. Y'all need to make sure y'all replying to comments. Y'all ain't that booked and busy that y'all can't reply to comments. I have a 9-to-5. I have a family, a household to run. I do YouTube and all of that, but I respond to everybody. My channel's not that big. I can respond to everybody. If you have a big channel, you get hundreds and hundreds of, you know, comments, maybe even thousands. I get it. You can't get to everybody. I get that. But some of y'all, girl, some of y'all be acting so booked and busy, and your channel is not popping like that, sis, to where you cannot respond to people's comments. And y'all as viewers, y'all just every time like, girl, you look fabulous, and thank you for recommending this fragrance, and blah blah. She ain't even giving you a heart. She ain't replying. She ain't doing none of that. Like, y'all like to be ignored? Because I don't, honey. You get 3 strikes and you out. Let you keep not replying to me, honey. You unsubscribe, bye. Like, cause I don't do bad customer service. That's what I don't do. Okay, I ain't putting my money nowhere and I'm getting bad customer service. And I feel like that's bad customer service. And that's just how I feel. Now, when I get 100,000 subscribers, we can renegotiate and re-talk about this. But as of right now, I'm not that booked and busy, and a lot of y'all ain't either. As an influencer and as a viewer, it's okay not to like everything. Like, if I watch somebody and she just like every damn thing, I'm side-eyeing. Because you like everything. Now, if it's like my top favorite spring fragrances or something like that, okay, you're gonna like everything in that video. I get it. Okay, but everything you haul in, all the PR, you just like everything. Like, girl, come on now. You don't like everything. Do you like everything? If you do, I need to unsubscribe, because you like every damn thing. And it just doesn't sound real. It just doesn't sound genuine, authentic, and I just don't vibe with that. Like, I'm a genuine, authentic person. If I don't like it, I'm gonna say I don't like it. I don't necessarily gotta drag it for filth, but I'm gonna tell you, like, nah, this is boring. This is a boring vanilla. I ain't feeling it. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. I might keep it. I'll tell y'all that, like, you know, like I did with the La Parfum, the Black Opium La Parfum. I'm gonna keep it, and I did keep it. It got a little sweeter over time, but it's still a boring ass vanilla. Like, I still ain't rocking with it, and I said that in my video where I wanted to use the fragrances up. Like, it's cool, but you know, it's okay to not like everything. And also, as a viewer, it's okay to not like everything. Like, we all have different, we smell different, our body chemistries are different. Like, we are all different, so it's okay not to like everything. I get comments from viewers that are like, I'm sorry, but I'm one of the few people that don't like Baccarat 540. Like, it's nothing wrong with that, sis. Like, you don't have to like it just because everybody else like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it, and that's okay. Now, I love it, but if you don't, that's okay. I'm not gonna be like, what? You don't like BR 540? Like, all on your back. Like, okay, you don't like it, that's cool, sis. I love it, but let's find you something else. Let's, you know what I'm saying? I get it. I found myself at one point trying to like something that everybody else like. I don't like it. I just don't damn like it. I just don't like it. And that's okay. That is okay. That's what makes the fragrance game fun. That's what makes it unique. Because everybody smells something different. Everybody like different things. Like, it's cool. These influencers that are so obsessed with a fragrance, and then like 3 to 6 months later, they decluttering it. They're like, oh my gosh, I love this fragrance so much. Like, I've worn it 3 days in a row. It's amazing. It's so great. Blah, 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 blah. And then like 3 months later, they like, it just doesn't work for me anymore. I don't know. It just doesn't vibe with me. Don't get me wrong. Like, I know our noses change, and over time, like, we like, I loved it, but it's just okay now. I get that. But damn, 3 months ago, you was raving about it. And not like, I see if it was like 2-3 years ago, you like, girl, I don't be really wearing that no more. I feel it. But literally like within 90 days, you're like, it just gives me a headache and I just can't wear it anymore. But you wore it 3 days in a row last time you talked about it. Like, I'm confused. I'm definitely confusion. So y'all pay attention to the type of people y'all watch. You know what I'm saying? 1 minute they love a fragrance, then they declutter, and then like 5 minutes later, like, girl, I don't know. I can't trust you. I can't. Lastly, stop thinking that all fragrance influencers are supposed to be a certain type of way and fit in a certain type of box. We're all supposed to be super elegant and poised and proper and prim. And no, everybody ain't like that. I talk to y'all like how I talk to my friends and my family. I'm not talking to them like, yes, this bottle of fragrance is so elegant. It's just so amazing. And I just really, really enjoy it. Like, I don't talk like that. You know what I'm saying? So when you find an influencer that don't talk like that, don't be in their comments talking about, oh, she's so ghetto, she's so blah. Because I had that situation. Somebody was like, oh, she's so ghetto, like I can't, what? I'm not ghetto. Just because I'm not talking all prim and proper and fake don't mean that I'm ghetto. Because the girl you talking about is this is so elegant and so nice and so wonderful. She don't talk to her family like that, girl. She don't. They be on here putting on the show, and I'm not finna do it. And it's so crazy because the lady that was like, she's so ghetto, she's so this, that, and the third. Do you know, a few videos later, she was like, I agree with everything you're saying about these perfumes. And what lipstick is that you're wearing? I'm like, oh, bitch. Oh, now I responded right back to her like, oh, I ain't too ghetto for you today, huh? Yeah, like, I remember shit. I pay attention to the comments. Like I said, I reply to everybody. So quit making people feel like, oh, just because they're a fragrance influencer, they have to be so prim and proper and da-da-da. Wearing perfume don't make you more feminine, more poised, more this and more that. Like, it don't make you that. You are who you are, and you wear perfume. Period. I would much rather be my authentic self and talk the way I normally talk to my friends and family when I'm doing my videos versus coming on camera and being fake. I'm not finna do that. I'm not about to ever do that. That's just not me. And I don't care if I don't ever get another subscriber. I'm not going to be fake to build this kind of repertoire to cater to people that want me to be a certain type of way, or to brands, or none of that. My realness, my genuine, you know, how genuine I am and my authenticity is way more important than that. So if you don't like it, you can get the hell on. So those are just some of the things that I feel need to stop in the fragrance community. If you have some things that you feel need to stop in the fragrance community, go ahead and drop it down below, because we got to clean it up, girl. We got to make sure, you know, everybody understand what's really going on, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.